3 at most. Okay? So this is partner work. Partner work. Okay? We're going to be working on a worksheet. Again, it's visuals. There's no numbers here. Okay? But you have to tell me, find the relationship, find the patterns of the worksheets. And see? Pictures. Nice pictures, right? Anybody like Leggo?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, OG triple.
There you go. So
This.
that's why we're
Two
using
sodas, one peat.
some pictures here, okay? So please get into groups of 2, please. Get into groups of 2. Once I see you in your group, I will give you your worksheet so we can start working. Okay? Make sure both your names are on everybody's name is on the worksheet, okay? So what do you see here? We see, how many equations do you see on the first one?
3 smileys here, 2.
How many different ones do you see? How many? 2, right? Okay. So we have to find out. This is a weight problem, okay? It tells you this particular combination in the front weighs this amount of units. The second combination weighs this amount of units, right? Our job is to find out how much each particular icon weighs, given the information from the 2 conditions on top. Okay? Same thing in the back. Same thing in the back. We have a condition where we have 5 Leggo figurines, right? Which equals 30 units. And then we have another condition where we have 4 figurines, and that equals 25 units, right? We have to find a relationship, find a pattern, and the most important thing is on the bottom where it says explain your reasoning. You have to tell me how it is that you came up with your answer. What is it that you do? What did you do?
We use different numbers and different symbols.
Yeah, these are the symbols we're using. You're gonna tell me how you came up with how much the happy face weighs, how much the cute weighs, how much Emmett weighs, and how much Wonder Woman weighs. Okay? So, and the most important part again, guys, is explaining your reasoning. Okay? You guys have 10 minutes to work together, then we're gonna come back together as a class, and we're gonna discuss it. Go.
Miss.
Yes. Talk, guys. All right. How's it going, guys?
We don't get it.
Okay. Any similarities between both problems?
Yeah.
What?
They both had the 2 Wonder Woman.
And what else? And 2 Emmets. Do you know what 2 Emmets and 2 Wonder Woman equal?
25.
Okay, so can you plug that into your top one?
Oh, this one's 15, right?
Is it? Why?
Because 3 Emmets is 30. And half of 30 is
No, 3 Emmets and 2 Wonder Woman weighs 30. So how much does 2 Emmets and 2 Wonder Woman weigh?
25.
And is that part of the first one already?
Yeah.
So what can I say?
We just need to add another Emmett.
And that's gonna equal what? How much is Emmett gonna be?
Yes, another 5.
Why?
Because this is already 25, so it's equal to 25, and we're trying to make it to 30, so this has to be 5.
Okay, so do you already know what Emmett weighs?
5.
Okay, so what's your next test? Write it down. What do you think the Wonder Woman weighs?
15.
15, okay?
15 together?
Okay, but I want 1. What?
Doesn't it have to be like a number and a half? So,
Remember I said Wonder Woman is complicated, right?
4.5.
Is it 4.5? 4.5 plus 4.5 equals? Ten and 10 is 20.
1.5 plus 1.5.
Think about it. 2 Wonder Woman equals how much did you say? 2 Wonder Woman equals what? You're on the right track. I'll come back to you. Can you read me? Explain it to your homies.
Well, since we're here, you read the question, what it's saying, and then you get the 5 for Emmett, and then you just gotta figure out what's like Wonder Woman equal. So you just count on from there. Like, so if you just have like a solid number by itself, it's not gonna equal 30 or anything. So you count on a 7.5.
Very good. Explain that in writing, guys. Okay.
You guys gotta get up.
I feel special. Who got number 1? Who got number 1? Yeah? Alright. Come on up. Come on up.
I got number 2.
They got number 2? But I want to see.
Number 3.
Listen, guys. Listen. Pay attention. Give them the respect, ladies. Give them the respect. They're going to explain to you how they came up with the numbers for the first one, and then he's going to explain to you the Leggo one, okay? Pay attention, and raise your hand if you did it differently. I want to know how you thought. Maybe that's a better way of thinking, and I want to see how it is. So, our first one, right? What was our first one? Our first one was the happy face and the Rubik's Cube, right? So, sir, the floor is yours. Give him let him talk, so you please be quiet.
I added both of them, so 10, 7, 17. I just added another 7, and it equals 24.
Simple, right? Okay. But what made you think 7?
I just added them together.
You added what
Yeah.
together?
These two, so 10, 17,
Okay.
and then I decided to add another 7, and I got 24.
Okay. Anybody else? Thank you, sir. Give him a round of applause. Anybody else get a different way? Anybody else have a different way?
Process of elimination.
Process of elimination. Explain something. Come on up.
Is it called?
Come on up. Come on.
Tell you.
You did the first one. I don't want to come on.
Okay. Can everybody hear him? You gotta speak loud because I gotta hear you and my microphone has to hear you. Okay?
The process of elimination.
Quiet, guys. I have to hear him and only him.
We did process of elimination, and we just kept thinking of different numbers, and we just kept adding 10 to them to see which one would give us 17.
Okay. So you did process of elimination, like you chose random numbers, and then if that didn't work, you moved on to the next? Okay. Anybody else? Did anybody else take what they saw on one of the equations and then try to plug it into the other one? Okay, come on up, real quick. Okay, well just tell me what you, from your desk, tell me what you did. Listen please.
We're doing the happy face one.
Yeah.
Oh. Well, we saw, because this is 24, we just subtracted it, so we got
You subtracted what?
7.
You subtracted what from the 24?
We subtracted 17.
The bottom equation?
Yeah.
Okay. So, everybody look up here. Real quick. I'm going to show you something. Right? And here's my cube. Right? And this is equal to what? 24. And this one is equal to what? Watch this. You want to see something?
Oh yeah.
What I just did? I did math, right? You've been doing math this whole period of time. You didn't even think about it. So, my happy faces are what?
2x.
One happy face is? Okay, and one cube?
The y.
Okay. Watch this. Watch this. What am I doing to this x, right? I'm canceling out, right? Y is equal to what? 17 minus x, right? Shh, listen. I'm going to plug it in here. 2x plus 17 minus x equals 24. Pay attention. Over here. Eyes over here, please. I'm going to combine that. 2x minus x equals x plus 17 equals 24. I want that 17 on the other side. What do I got to do? 24 minus 17 equals? What was my happy face? See that? Do you see that? Yeah? Alright. Let's have Legos. Okay, he's gonna explain to you the Lego one. Pay attention, everybody, eyes up here.
Okay, from the first one has 3 of the emmets, and then this one has 2 emmets and the 2 and 1 enrollments. You can plug in this one from the bottom to the top, and then you just add another emmet, and then you gotta figure out what the one enrollment equals. So they equal 7.5, and then the other half, you add those two, and it equals 1, so it's 15, and then the rest is 15.
So, Wonder Woman was complicated because?
It's with another half of a number.
So it's not a whole number, right?
I knew it.
Okay, anybody want to try to do this on the Lego one? I just want this part. Just the equation. Right? Here's the first one, look it. That's funny, it spells EU. Alright, what do you think my equation's gonna look like? Here I have my 2 happy faces and my cube is equal to 2x plus y, right? What do you think this one's gonna be?
3x
Plus.
plus 2y.
Very good. Equals what?
30.
How about this one?
2x plus 2y.
Very good.